Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. It's a wet one today. Got standing water. The mud is back. This is not good. It's been raining all morning and don't look like it's gonna let up anytime soon. Well, it stopped raining, so I'm gonna come down here and feed. Don't run over a dog. The windshield up, keep the rain from hitting me in the eye, but it's not raining right now, so that's good. Yep, they're ready to eat lunch. Yeah, you can see the ground is saturated again. There's standing water there. So, stay on the gravel, hope for the best, and we don't sink. Shouldn't be too bad. Alright, piggies. I'm gonna go get some hay and grain for you. No special treats today. Well, nope, no special treats. Okay, everybody's been fed. Petunia's over here with these babies. Harold's sharing his with one of her other babies. Chickens and the ducks have been fed. There's a bunch of eggs in the mud. Not good. I just cleaned up this big mess. The mice have drug grain. They got into another bag. So the dogs are looking for the mice. Okay, they're all happy. Still have some piglets. If you need a piglet, let me know. I stayed on the gravel and I still picked up mud. So the ground is gushier than I thought it was. Not good. I'll have to back out of this. Yep. Not liking the wet weather. Molly wants to come in the house. So is Brandy. Spoiled goats. Well, it's 5:30 p.m. and it's about 40 degrees. And it hasn't rained for a few hours, which is good. The place is already soaked. So we hopefully have drier weather tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.